Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue, Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2013 Ford F-150 FX4. The exterior colors are sterling gray metallic, and under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front of the truck we have HID headlamps as well as halogen daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. We have 2 tow hooks as well as our color matched front bumper and our black grille insert. At the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, as well as our Ford OEM running boards and our color-matched door handles with our mirror caps. We also have our sliding sunroof on top and our privacy tinted windows in the rear. And this F-150 also comes with a tailgate step, as well as an engine block heater and command start. At the rear, we have tons of great features, including our trailer and tow package, with our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as our reverse sensors paired with our backup camera for the most safety, and our F-150 badging with our flex fill badging. Inside the box we have a spray-in liner, as well as our rear view window. We have an embedded defroster with the power sliding feature. At the interior we have some awesome features for the driver, including tons of door storage with a cup, as well as power windows, power locks, as well as power adjustable and foldable mirrors. Now as we look at the interior, the driver and passenger can enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. With addition, the driver can enjoy 2 memory seating options. We have a nice black leather interior throughout the interior truck, and at the driving column we have our automatic headlamp dial with our foot pedal adjustment button and a tilting steering wheel. At the left side, we have our information system trackpad with our cruise control settings and our entertainment and media controls with our hands-free. As we look above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and a place for your sunglasses, as well as our sliding sunroof and another cabin light in the rear. Over at our center face, we have our display screen, which allows for phone control, hands-free navigation, entertainment, as well as climate control. This truck comes with a dual climate control area with the controls for our sync. The driver and passenger can enjoy an air-conditioned and heated seat. With our dual climate control area, we can also have our rear window defrost with a push of a button, as well as air conditioning and heating throughout the cabin. As we look at our center console, we have our console shifter, which allows for a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission option, as well as our tow and haul mode. We have 2 cup holders, and at our center console we have tons of storage inside with 2 more cup holders in the rear. And over at the side we have our integrated trailer braking system and our 4-wheel drive engagement with our 12-volt adapter on the right side. At the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage, power windows, storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat, as well as we can fit 3 passengers back here with tons of legroom, as well as lots of headspace. With our 60/40 bench seating, it's super easy to have 3 passengers sit here comfortably. And in the rear of the center console, we have our dual ventilation system to keep the air circulating in the rear, as well as our 12-volt adapter and an AC outlet. If you have any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.